Welcome to Valken Minute Clinic. Today we're going to talk about how to check the wires that connect to your motor right here in the pistol grip. Reason you might want to check these is if your rifle ever stops firing. It's something easy to just make sure nothing went wrong. Sometimes those wires can slip off. All you need is a cross-tip screwdriver, medium. All you got to do is undo the screws down here on the bottom of the pistol grip. Now there will be a little bit of spring tension, so what you can do is use your thumb and press down on that motor plate. Always have the magnetic parts tray. Put the screw in there, make sure you don't lose it. Then you get the other screw. Then you see that that is under a little bit of spring tension right there. That's normal. That's good, in fact. So you take that off, and boom, we are now looking at the bottom of your motor and the wires connected to it. Sometimes they can fall off, and when you take it off, they'll just be loose in there just like that. So all you got to do is see where it goes and push it back on. These are just held on by friction. Now there is a positive line and a negative line, and reversing these can make your motor spin backwards, which won't work in your gearbox too well. So you want to make sure that the positive line, usually marked red like it is here in the Alloy series, goes to the positive terminal on the bottom of the motor. And you can tell which is which by looking at the motor, and either the terminal right here, this little post, will be colored red, or in this case, it has a little plus sign right there, and that tells you that this is the positive and this is the negative. Let's say that this wire was disconnected. All we have to do to get it back is just push it down on top of that terminal there, make sure it's in place. Cool. And you just reverse the process. Now you just gotta make sure you don't pinch any wires when you put this back on. There you go, and then you just screw these back in place. Thank you for watching. You can check out the Alloy series of AEGs as well as other great airsoft products at Valken.com or your local Valken retailer.